Let's make these adorable, super easy and fast crochet heart coasters. This one is made using 4mm braided cord, and I made this one with 6mm braided cord. For this video, I will be using 4mm with a 10mm crochet hook. So this is actually macrame cord, and I will link it in the description box below. And there's also a 10% discount when you use my link. So to get started, we will make a magic ring. So just go over your 2 fingers, cross it over, take your hook, go under the first one, pull up a loop, and then we are actually going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after you chain 4, we are going to add 3 double treble crochets. So we are going to yarn over 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. And then you are going to insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that is our first one. You can make them a little tighter if you want. Okay, again, yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, oops, and the last 2. Okay, now that we have made 3 double treble crochets, we will make 3 treble crochets. Okay, it's very similar. All you have to do is yarn over 2 times. So 1, 2. And same idea. And then go through these 2 and the final 2. Okay, so add 2 more. Just keep adjusting these as you go. Okay, so after you make your 3rd treble crochet, chain 1. And then for the point of our heart, we are going to make 1 more double treble crochet. So we yarn over 3 times. Again, chain 1, and then repeat the same stitches on the opposite side. So we're going to do 3 treble and then 3 double trebles. Okay, after you finish your last one, we need to chain 4, because that is how we started. So, okay, and then just slip stitch into that center ring. So just insert your hook, pull through, and then pull through again. Tighten a little bit and then just trim off your cord and then pull it through. So just keep the one you pulled through to the side and then take your tail end that we started with and pull to close. Thicker cord you have to pull real tight. And it looks all jumbled up, but it's okay. So you're going to take the 2 pieces and you are going to knot them in the back. Double knot it for just in case someone, or if you're gifting these or if you're going to be washing them. Double knot it and then it doesn't hurt to just weave in the ends still. So that is it. Once you weave in your ends, just pull it to just adjust it. And there you go. There is a beautiful, super quick and easy, makes a great gift for Valentine's Day heart coaster. And here are 2 different size mug bottoms so you can see how they fit. There's one, and then this one has a wider base, and there is 2, and they fit just fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.